Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to my autumn gloss tutorial. Can't wait to show y'all how to make this. Sit tight.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us
Alright, it's your girl, lovely angel lady, LAL. Please give your girl a follow on social media, but we're starting by sanitizing our hands. As always, you want to make sure you start with clean hands and, of course, a glove up because what? We are making products for customers. Gotta keep it sanitary. Y'all, please give this video a thumbs up if you do find it helpful. Your girl would greatly appreciate the love. Alright, love, so these pink gloves right here, your girl copped from Amazon. I like to buy the latex-free, powder-free gloves. They're just more comfortable. I don't have to worry about them being itchy or causing any skin irritation. But y'all, please like, comment, and share. Please, please, please. Por favor. Thank you. Okay, my love, so we are all gloved up. Yes, spirit fingers. But yeah, so I'm going to show y'all this right here. This is huge, but I do make a lot of gloss. I get my gloss from No Problema. That is my favorite gloss base, my favorite Versagel. So anywho, how y'all, we are going to start this time with our deodorized cocoa butter wafers. And I am going in with quite a bit because I'm about to make a big old huge amount of gloss. So 10 of those, yes, 10. Right down that bowl. And here 3 tablespoons of this coconut oil. Okay, and this is the liquid coconut oil, but now we're going in with the grapeseed oil and also 3 tablespoons of that. The 3 tablespoon rule is awesome if you have a lot of gloss to make. But now we're gonna use our refined coconut oil. And I'm also using 3 tablespoons of that. I don't have to put it in there, I can eye it. I just do that when I do these videos most of the time so y'all can see. But it's pretty repetitious. Y'all see me do similar techniques and measurements, so yeah. But you just have to adjust it to make the amount that you need, that best suits your needs. So y'all, we have everything as far as our oils and butters in our bowl. We're gonna go ahead and melt that in the microwave. Okay, I like to put mine on for a minute because my new microwave gets hot. And then now we're gonna go ahead and we're adding our polyisobutene for our slip. Makes the lip gloss nice and shiny. So now we're gonna drop in our Odafin. This is our natural cosmetic preservative. I like to use the natural ones because they're safer. Now we're gonna add our white liquid lip pigment and go ahead and stir that in. Why? Because we want this to be very pigmented. That's the purpose of adding the white first. So this is what we are using, Permis, and this is like a burnt orange shade. So we're going to use this lip pigment. It's liquid, and as you can see with the white, it will be very pigmented, but I'm just going in with some. I'm going to stir, and then with the eye, just kind of look and see if I need to add more. And you can adjust your color just like we do when we use the mica powder. You can just add more of whatever shade to get the desired color. So of course we're adding a little bit more and giving that a good stir. And I'm not going that fast. It looks like it, but I'm not. It's sped up, y'all. Alright, y'all, so you just want to make sure that the color looks even and you don't have any clumps in there. But we're going in with this pumpkin pie flavoring oil. I got this from Get Suckered, and it does not at all smell like pumpkin pie, but yes, the truth is it smells good. Okay, it smells like red hots or hot tamales, the candies. It's like a spicy cinnamon scent, and I love it. I'm here for it. It's very perfect for the holidays, for the fall, you know. And so we are making autumn. So anyway, I went in with 3 drops. I was just showing y'all 3 drops of the flavoring oil. You want to be generous, that way you can make sure you smell it. But this is gold glitter, and this is cosmetic safe glitter. I get this from Amazon. I really do like this brand. I do have a couple other brands, but I prefer this one for my glosses. I know it's safe, and I just like the way, you know, their glitter looks in my products. So that's just my preference. You just, you know, buy what you like. You'll come to know what you like. But we're gonna go in with this. It's like a copper red toned mica powder, and this is kind of going to give it a bronzed look. Okay, so it's like a vibrant burnt orange with little hints of glitter and shimmer. But I really love this color, and y'all, wish y'all could smell it. She smells so good. We're just gonna add a little bit more mica powder to give us just a little bit more of that shimmer effect. But it's not gonna be like over the top glittery and shimmery. It's just, you know, it's very light. We didn't want to go in too heavy on the glitter. You guys have probably seen this one on TikTok, but this gloss is already available on the site lovelyangel.shop.com. You heard me? Here's a close-up of what our oils and butters and flavoring oil, all this stuff is all in there, and the color, the pigment. So that's a close-up, and now of course here is our Versagel. So this is our lip gloss base. We're gonna go ahead, our favorite part, and ooh, this is so satisfying to watch, y'all. This is my favorite part when I make gloss, is to just go ahead and pour that in and mix. Like, I just love just the outcome. I love the different stages it goes through, how creamy it looks. I love everything about it. Such a little nerd, but it's all good. Once y'all start doing this, you'll find how addicting it actually is. But it smells amazing. The scent and the color, they go perfectly together. But y'all see how creamy, and that's why I do use the deodorized cocoa butter and, you know, the oils that I choose to use, because I like my gloss to be really creamy and moisturizing on the lips. But another close-up for y'all dolls. And it is sweetened, y'all. It does also have the monk fruit in there, the organic monk fruit, 0 calories, of course. But these are wholesale glosses, so if you have a business and you don't want to do the work, yes, boo, we got you. We got you. You can cop you one of these 8-ounce jars of gloss, pre-made. All you gotta do is fill your tubes. And of course, it's time to go ahead and seal these babies up. Alright, y'all, so we are just sealing these up, but yeah, they're available on the site. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, let your girl know, and we will have other shades available in these wholesale glosses. You can also get pre-filled tubes too. So anywho, how y'all, we are taking this squeeze bottle here, and we are going to go ahead and fill it. This is an 8-ounce. We get these from Amazon. So I just do it this way. When the bowl is so full, I take a little bit and scoop it in at a time, because it's very messy. And if you take the whole bowl too early while it's full, you'll make a huge mess trying to pour it in. So it's really up to you. It's your choice. Like I say, once you figure out what works for you, do what works for you, because it's different strokes for different folks. But I'm just wiping around there because I don't like it to be too messy and greasy. So yeah, We're going to take our pipette, snip it on each end, and we are going to attach that to the nozzle. We're going to use some of this electric tape. It's a thin tape, and I'm just using this color. It doesn't really matter what color you go with. Sometimes I use white. These are our 15 ml squeeze tubes. I get mine mostly from Amazon. Y'all check below. I will drop links, purchase links and things for the products, the ingredients and so forth below in the description box. But this is sped up for y'all, so y'all won't be sitting here all day. But I squeeze the bottom just to make sure that the product spreads across the bottom of the gloss tube, and it's not like any gaps or spaces left in the bottom, like the corner not filled. I cannot stand that. I'm gonna fill up another gloss tube for y'all. We're just gonna do a few. I won't make y'all sit here for the whole time because, as y'all know, I fill so many tubes when I do this. Gotta run a business, so gotta do what I gotta do. I just want to make sure y'all get the point, and then it's helping y'all, you know, with your business, or, you know, whether you want to make gloss for yourself or for gifts or whatever, you know, just making sure y'all get the picture. So I'm just adding some more gloss in here, wiping that. I'm gonna put the cap back on, and we're gonna fill some more tubes. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Y'all see me do this a million times. But I hope you found this video helpful. I truly hope you did. I am so in love with how this color turned out. Y'all, I do have a video on TikTok showing y'all what she looks like on the lips. She's very pigmented and gorgeous on the lips. So go to my TikTok, my Instagram, check it out. Y'all see, but this is the finished product. Yes, what do y'all think? Comment down below. Please subscribe and join the fam. It's free. Thanks for watching. And yeah, this is our finished product. Get yours today, lovelyangel.shop.com. Later, loves. Here are the pics. Stay blessed. Stay fabulous. Your girl loves you. Later.